Hi, I'm Will Dascom. I'm here with Evatech Incorporated, and today we're about to test out Patrick's 22T from Ohio. It's a really nice unit. It has a 22-inch mulching blade on it, as well as these really rugged tracks. And what that does is allows it to put less ground pressure than any of us right now, and it can handle slopes of about 50 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start it up right here with the remote. I'm going to start with a bit of just a function check, see if it drives around normally. It's really easy, you could just control the machine with one finger. And stop and do a zero turn and come back to us. It looks like the propulsion system is doing what it should be. So we're going to bring it down there into the little ditch we've got here and test out its flow capabilities. Probably have about like a 30-degree hill here. That's nothing compared to what this machine can actually do in the real world. A little bit of garbage in there. Make sure that's not on the unit when we get out of here. Yeah, we try not to do stuff like that. This unit here can take about 3 to 4 feet of grass. With our hybrid system, you get a lot more power to the blade than you do with any old conventional riding mower that uses a hydrostatic system. Our machines are mainly made for going across hills, side-to-side mowing. It's a lot more efficient. That way you get a lot more cut. And it's a lot easier on the machine as opposed to going up and down, up and down. So I'm going to take it out here. Looks like this machine is working perfectly. We only have one more thing to test, and that's its remote shut-off. So I'm going to give that a go right here. All right. Well, it looks like Patrick's going to be very happy with this unit. It's fully functional, and will be on his way very soon.